Cleaning can be a tedious and time-consuming task. However, with the right cleaning tools, you can save both time and money. In this video, we will show you how to clean smart with the right cleaning tools. Choosing the right cleaning tools can make all the difference in the efficiency of your cleaning. For example, microfiber cloths can be washed and reused multiple times, ultimately saving you money. A squeegee is not only effective for cleaning windows but can also be used on other surfaces, such as shower doors. Vacuuming is an essential part of cleaning but can be made easier and more efficient with the right attachments. Invest in a vacuum with multiple attachments, such as a crevice tool to clean tight spaces or a pet hair tool for furry friends. This will not only save you time but ensure a cleaner home. Natural cleaning products not only eliminate harmful chemicals from your home, but also save you money in the long run. Simple ingredients such as vinegar, baking soda, and lemon can be used to clean a variety of surfaces. Investing in a high-quality mop can save you time and money in the long run. A mop with a removable and washable head can be reused multiple times, ultimately saving you money, while also providing better cleaning results. By cleaning smart with the right tools, you can save both time and money while also achieving better cleaning results. So, invest in the right tools and start cleaning smarter today.